Disclaimer, please ignore my nails. They're wretched. Honestly don't even know what look I'm going to be doing today, but I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange from Anastasia Beverly Hills or something. So I wanted to do this, make this video like a voiceover, but I like doing like get ready with me and like actually talking, but the only downside is that my camera does a lot of noise. It goes like, I don't know why, it's so weird and annoying, but this will probably be a voiceover video. Once again, excuse my nail. It looks so wretched. Okay, so I had tried to I'm trying to take my nails off, but they don't come off. Like, and I don't want to cut them either, because that hurts. Okay, since my lashes came off on this side, like as you can tell, like this side like barely has anything and this side has more. I don't know if to add more lashes or just leave it like that, like if to put falsies on or not. go in with this the Lash Sensational. Yeah, Lash. So I also want to show how I do my hair when I go out, but since I'm in a little rush, I'm not gonna do it exactly how we do it all the time because I normally always like to go in with a straightener first. Just on my roots, I like to go halfway with a straightener, but today I'm just gonna curl it however guys. So I'm going to my first ever rave this month for my spring break, and I'm so excited, like so excited. I've never gone to a rave before. I was supposed to go to it's crazy up there. I was supposed to go to New Year's Countdown in San Bernardino, but I didn't go. But I'm going to be on Wonderland on March something, like 20 something. I'm more excited about like picking out my outfit and like my makeup and my hair. Tonight is the first night I go out in a while, guys. Cause frick! Whatever. It's the first time I go out in a while because I'm always super busy with school. Freaking yeah. Adult life sucks, man. You see what I mean? I like straightening all of this. All of this is usually straight. But I don't got time for that, so. My freaking teenager hairs. Those ain't no baby hairs. Yeah, and then, okay, so it does look like a little bit too tight. But I do, not brush it out. I like, with my hand, I like, you know? And then they fall anyway, too, after a while. Sometimes I do use it as a wand. Oh, and I didn't even say which one it is, but it's the Hot Tools, I think 1.5 inch. Okay, so I always film videos for YouTube, and then I never post them. Or I just never edit them because I'm lazy. Hopefully this one even makes it because I'm really lazy. Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like. And then when it like goes down. And usually when I straighten the top, it's much longer, but since I didn't, it's not. I'm doing my hair now, so now for lips. I don't like my makeup today. I feel like it's too, like I'm missing something. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed my little get ready with me. Maybe I'll show my outfit when I change right now. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.